Hey guys, I have good news for you. I'm here to tell you that you have to stop searching after video marketing tools. I have the solution to your problem. So please, watch the video and you'll understand why.
Today, we're thrilled to announce that we've just launched a game-changing new feature into Vidnami that will help you create professional broadcast quality videos in under 10 minutes. So what's the new feature? It's presenter-style videos. This means you can now use Vidnami to create captioned talking head videos using nothing more than your laptop and webcam. And here's why this is so important. You see, the real secret to building a large online audience in 2021 is authenticity. And nothing is more real and authentic than using a presenter-style video to talk directly to your audience. A great example of this is Gary Vaynerchuk, who has used casual presenter-style videos to build a massive worldwide following, including over 3.6 million followers on Facebook and over 8.8 million followers on Instagram. Now, in the past, creating professional presenter-style videos was complicated, time-consuming, and expensive. First, you'd have to fork out thousands of dollars buying a camera, tripod, microphone, and lighting equipment. Then, you'd still have to spend hours editing your video using complex software like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro. Most business owners just don't have the time to learn all these skills, so in the end, they just give up on making videos and toss it into the too hard basket. But now, thanks to the brand new presenter-style videos in Vidnami, you can now create your own professional talking head videos in minutes using just your laptop and webcam. And I'll show you exactly how this works in just a moment. To celebrate the launch of our brand new presenter-style videos, we've put together a special offer on Vidnami that's only available for the next few days. Here's what's included. You also get unlimited access to over 978,000 professional clips from Storyblocks right within the app for free. This video library alone normally costs $348 per year. Plus, you'll get unlimited access to a library of 30,000 premium Storyblocks music tracks, which would normally cost you an additional $240 per year. And to help you fast-track the growth of your business, we also want to give you our video marketing bonus pack at no extra charge. This bonus pack includes all our most popular video marketing resources, including our Ultimate Video Traffic Blueprint Pack, which contains 5 fill-in-the-blank templates for creating viral content videos that your audience will love and share. You'll also receive our 5-minute Facebook ad formula, which reveals the 3 secrets for creating high-converting video ads on Facebook. And if you're looking to create videos for clients, you'll also get our 21 ways to find clients cheat sheet, which contains our tried and tested process for finding and engaging new clients. Plus, we also want to give you our smartphone camera tips ebook that reveals the exact mic and lighting system we use so you can get pro results straight away. You'll also receive our How to Eliminate Writer's Block Forever ebook, which reveals 16 content categories you can use to create unlimited content for your business. And you'll get access to our popular YouTube SEO cheat sheet that has now been used by over 55,000 business owners to achieve higher rankings, watch time, and profits on YouTube. All up, this amazing bundle delivers over $1,406 of value. Click the button below this video now to grab this deal while it's still available. Let's now take a look at just how quick and easy it is to create presenter-style videos using Vidnami. First off, the best part is you don't need to write a script. As soon as an idea for a video pops into your head, simply grab your laptop and launch Vidnami. Then, choose one of the presenter video templates. Select the new webcam recording option and start talking to the camera. The aim here is to explain your idea or concept in a casual way. So try to imagine you're just chatting to a group of friends. When you've finished, click this button and Vidnami will automatically transcribe your recording and create your script. You can then review your script and make any tweaks necessary. When you're happy, just hit the Create Scenes button. Vidnami will then automatically create all the scenes for your video. Now, one of the most powerful features of a presenter video is that you can drop other clips over the top of your webcam recording to illustrate exactly what you're talking about. Vidnami's artificial intelligence engine will also analyze your script and intelligently suggest clips from our built-in library. Simply choose from the suggested clips, and once you're happy with your visuals, click through to preview your video. Here you can quickly add a watermark and a background music track, and we're done. Let's check out our finished video.
Hi guys, it's Dr. Anthony here. I've just come back from having lunch with a friend of mine, and we were talking about how to improve remote team meetings. And one thing I mentioned to my friend was how we capture action points during a meeting to make sure that no tasks get forgotten or fall through the cracks. So I thought I'd make a quick video to share this handy tip with you as well.
In the past, this kind of video would have taken hours to create, using 5 different software programs to pull everything together. But as you can see, the combination of Vidnami's new presenter-style videos and built-in AI engine means you can now create broadcast-quality videos using just your laptop and webcam. With automatic text splitting, auto layouts, auto bolding, automatic video clip selection, auto animation, automatic text-to-speech, auto transitions, automatic transcription, auto captions, and automatic music selection, Vidnami transforms video creation into a fun, quick, and enjoyable process. These new presenter-style videos are perfect for corporate training videos, video newsletters, online course videos, educational videos, or just for staying in touch with your audience. And remember, right now is a great time to join our rapidly growing community because until midnight this Friday, we're offering a very special deal on Vidnami. You also get unlimited access to over 978,000 professional clips from Storyblocks. Plus, you'll get unlimited access to a library of 30,000 Storyblocks music tracks. And if you join today, you'll also receive our video marketing bonus pack at no extra cost. This amazing bonus pack includes our ultimate video traffic blueprint pack, our 5-minute Facebook ad formula, our 21 ways to find clients cheat sheet, our smartphone camera tips ebook, our how to eliminate writer's block ebook, plus our YouTube SEO cheat sheet. All up, this exclusive bundle delivers over $1,406 of value. So grab your copy of Vidnami now and use the power of presenter-style videos to grow your online audience, generate more leads, and skyrocket your business. So to make sure you don't miss out, click the button below now.
Cool, right? So if you were waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now. Click the buy button right now.